Hello guys, I'm Harin Quest. To tell you in this tutorials how to remove permanently iCloud activation lock links from any iPhone device. Here I have taken the one iPhone. Today actually this device came at my shop. So let's unlock permanently because it's a trap in or stuck in locked to owners. So what's the easy way without doing a jailbreaks at your home without any hassles? Of course you can unlock it, but of course we expect from all of my viewers that execute similar step by step. So watch carefully and thereupon go for executions. I assure you, you will be able to unlock and the veterans for unlocking of any iPhones. Either it is iPad, iPod, of course MacBooks, or spontaneously of course iPhones. Similar execution you need. Because they are the two security from one security is from especially iCloud database and second is from Apple database. So let's firstly the clear from the Apple database. So we will connect the 3U tool. We will come in especially toolbox. In toolbox we will go in a crash analysis and there let's access the data. So there are so many data that we will have to delete it. And upon of course we will go for here. Let's access by virtue of his facial items. Let's give the good configurations that it is a still locked owner or not. So that we can see here. It is still stuck in iCloud activation lock link. So just we will disconnect and once again we will connect to these ones. Now let's access the data. By virtue of a special iTunes, what's the iTunes is saying to the message here? We will check it out. So it's accessing the data now. Now it's saying that was a lost series and enter the applied in password that's were used to set up this device. Show what's the easy solution, guys? Here, nothing. So we will have to clear from once again iCloud database server. iCloud database server for it. So we will have to go for an administration that is especially managing PC. Imagine PC there, these all our tools are mandatory to execute a similar strategy. So imagine PC now, this device that has been connected, just we will come scroll up and here is options and that is a show device console. Just to picture this one and we will clear at least 20 times, guys. So now see here, it's accumulating, guys. We can see here just we will deselect and we will go for here cut it, then once again we will backs. So here one more time we will have to backs 8 layers to 20 times we have to clear. So now till the date of the 2 days are coming, so the 18th June. Now we will come on a 3U tool once again, guys. So let's come on a 3U tool. On 3U tool here, just we will cancel and let me cancel. Let's come on a 3U tool, guys. Let me keep it here. In 3U tool, we will come on here and then we will come in especially deselect this and we will cut it from here. Again notifying it's guys here. Let me go for cancels. It will disturb you in the midst of ads, but don't worry. Let's come on now we will come on our time logs. Let's open. Now here is nothing coming, guys, so it means almost it has been clear. If it is coming, so then we will have to tap on this clear, then we will tap on OK, then we will go for here, then we will come on cancels. A little bit this will interrupt you in the midst of, don't worry. Let's see, totally hanged now. See if total that condition, what we will do, guys, here just we will close the alls, then once again we will go for here this imagine PC. Sometimes it's going to hang because of iCloud database server. So now once again it has been connected. Just we will use the trial modes. Just we will come on once again and we will come on here. Then Let's cancel, and then once again we will show device controls. Of course we will clear. Now almost it has, now it has been here, it's coming so clear. Now here what we will do guys, here just fix this one REC mode, hit this one, so keep clearing guys. So almost white screens are coming, so just we will cancel. We can close this imaging PC now. Now we will come on here, this here iTunes is just we will close this iTunes also. Now we will come on here, just we will tap on a smart flash options. Either we can download or we can import it here. So if we check it out, and then we'll go in the flash options, and then let's click on a refresh options. Now we can see here I have downloaded or not. We will tap on Easy Flash. In Easy Flash, so that we can see here. Let's come the firmware. In the firmware, there is options that I have downloaded. Here, the 4. One is especially 76, and this is a 60 RD. So just we will select these ones. This one I have downloaded. Just we will keep these flash options. Now here is the thing that put this device into the recovery mode, and then we will go for it. So if you go for here, retaining user data, just we will select the quick flash mode here options, and then of course we will hit this ones, then we will go for here. Let's wait. If still it's taking time, then of course we will go for stop at Sanderbond. Let's hit on it. Now here is options on that this beta version has been especially imported. There is no options to download options, so just we will click on here, we'll deselect and we will cut it. So now here is options to our downloads. Once again, see. Now either we can import this firmware or we can download. So just we have selected. Now we will go for import it. So here is it. We have two options, guys. One is especially download options, and second is especially directly we can import it. So we will prefer to especially import, because if we download, then of course it will take much more time. So just we will tap on it, and 16.10.360 RD. This one is 11 and this 60. So let it verify, and that one of course we will go for the execution. So now it's taking here, see, almost especially 100% is done. So it has been imported. We will select the quick flash mode. Don't select the retain user data, otherwise there will be no benefit, especially to clear the console as well as the crash analysis data, either from the cloud or Apple database server. So now that we have elected this one, so just we will hit this one, and let's check it out the results. What's the saying? Show the messages here. Now it has been raised on a 16%. Now let's see what's going to happen. So further, it is restarting now. Now we will have to wait here, and we will check it out that what's happening. It is taking time, guys. We will have to wait here, and upon the further we will see what's kind of, so the result is the comments. Now see, still it's having the problem. Maybe because it's not initiated too, and there is still having. It has been the stuck on especially 18%. Now what we can here in these conditions. What we can here, guys. In this condition, we can disconnect, and thereupon of course we will close this 3U tools. Sometimes it's happening on a particular device, so just we will cancel. let's cancel exit from this. Now we will go for here. Now we'll go for open iTunes. So see here, iTunes is not detecting that conditions. We will have to open it once again because it has been stuck on this logo. So manually we will have to put this device into the DFU mode. So what we will do, up, down, keep holding quickly, holding till it's not going DFU mode, guys. Hold it. Now it has been restarted, so it will go in a DFU mode once again. Yes, it will take a little bit times. Now it has been raised. Now here 3U tool is not going to be actually functional now on this database server. So in a cloud database, so just we will hold the shift key of your computer, click on the restore options, then here we will come on a, what is that actually, where I kept 10 point something iOS. We'll have this ones, no, we'll have this ones 10.360 ID. This is fines. Now it's saying that of course we will go for the restoration. It has just started to extract. Let's wait by virtue of iTunes. I know I have taken the 11 minute 12 minute here. Now it's extracting, then the further we will see what's going to happens. Hold the shift key and then we will click on a restore option. So this page will be opens now. Let's see what's going to happen further. Right now it's extracting a software, then the further we will see, then error will comes down and it's extracting, so it will extract a little bit, it will take time also, so we will have to wait here. I don't know how is the visuality, but of course either it is in a cloud mode, lock to owners, screen passcode, time screen passcode, or touch ID, face ID, or in a case lock to owners, blacklist, install and lost mode, any situations. We'll have to go for similar strategy. That's why we have taken the another especially 2-3 iDevice management tools. Now 3 tool is not rendering right now, maybe due to bug or any reasons. Now I have started to execute these things by iTunes, and after that of course we will execute the 2-3 crucial steps that without touching on this device, of course we will locks completely and we will transfer the new Apple ID password by virtue of iTunes also. So it's taking time to extract. Let's wait and we will see here what's going to happen. Now it's preparing for the restorations. Let's see. This device now came in especially here. Apple once again. Now it's preparing for your storage, so let's wait. Now 3U tool came here, not required. It happens due to 3U tools. There is maybe a bug due to that. Now restoration has been started here. We can check it out here. So it has the taken accepted in iTunes database, especially in iTunes, especially this cloud database. So let's firstly complete it, and upon the further we will see what's going to happen. But iTunes, by virtue of especially, it will take a much more time, guys. So we will have to wait, and yes, if any error will come, so then of course we will go for further executions. You know how to put this device into the DFU, or from DFU to how to exit manually by up volume, down volume, and then keep holding the on off key. After leaving off up volumes, leave it, down volumes, leave it, then hold on off key till it's not going in DFU modes. So As far as the concerns now, so actually more than 20% it has been completed now. We will see further. These icons, this has been started to install, so we will have to wait here and we will check that out in the further. But of course, the Microsoft is visualized. It's taking much more time, guys. But what we can. 3 tools give you fasting, give you a space line the fast rate, space line, give you good speed to a space line the complete the whole thing's procedure. But space line it's taking a time. But what we can have in a conditions a 3 tool is a fail, then of course we will complete especially this strategy. Now waiting for the complete of these things. Now let's see what's going to happen further. Any error will comes and then of course we will fix it. Data cable should be originals or good quality. USB jack should be especially tight so that disconnection problem will not come. So because during the flashing, so during these things, your device may restart multiple times. So in that condition, don't unplug the device, guys. Don't disconnect. Now it's verifying. You can check it out here on especially on this. Yeah, you can check it out. It's verifying the restorations. Let's wait. We will see what's going to happen. Now it's verifying on the other hand, official aims is more than 50% we have completed. So further we will take a 10-minute more. What we can here, guys. Almost it done. More than 50% is now. Yeah, see, we can. It's functioning, but it's taking times. Any error will come, then of course we will fix it. There was a problem of a special DFU that I had done. Firstly, I have attempted by virtue of 3U2. So the requirements is you need 3U2, Imagine PC, and third tool is that iTunes. Now here I'm waiting for this complete restoration of this firmware. Then of course we will attempt once again 2-3 crore celestial by virtue of his facial 3U tool. So let it complete firstly these things, then of course we will go for further. And any kinds of the query, any kinds of this facelam, the questions, blindly you can address the query below the comment box. So please would you mind to reply your query, guys, in course of times. Now almost 80% we have completed. How it is show 80% I have completed. Yes, you can see here. It's cam here. Further we need a 7 minute. Almost 19 minutes we spent here on this tutorial. Not on this, it's just looking at this because this is the device is of one. I slam the customer. The camera was to especially remove, but it was in the install mode, so that's why actually. Firstly, I precise location of this device and the phone. Of course, we are doing these things. How do you customize the location of any iPhones or virtual locations? By virtue of 3U tool, it can be. Because we will have to find out the sales area by our sales model options, by our sales model knowings. Firstly, how do you know the sales model number of any iPhone device? Sales model means a sales area you can find out. So now it has completed. This device has been restarted. So let it complete. Now within especially 3 seconds, this device will especially now see it has been disconnected. So in that condition, What we will do, guys, here, simply just we will open a 3U tools now. In 3U tool, what we will do here, in 3U tools, just let it connect this 3U tool. We will wait here, there's two highlighted batch activation options. So when it will be highlighted, then of course we will escape. So now it has been highlighted. Of course we will pick this ones, we'll select the select all and hit this one. So now see, it has started to execute these things. Now we will wait here until unless it's not giving the green to succeed. If any error will come, so then we will change the internet connection. Once again we will execute the similar this batch activation. So I'm waiting for this result. However, it's coming errors, and then of course we will go for utilization of the virtual private networks on your system. Then we will provide the customized location of the similar IP address. Suppose this phone is basically from the Hong Kong, then of course, or it was a purchase in the Hong Kong, sales area is a sales area of Hong Kong in this device, then we will have to create a systematic artificial IP address on your systems of Hong Kong. Then we will have to execute once again, because these all are things is happening in a cloud database now. So most probably chance to have the error. So here is now having the file to error. So what we will do, guys, here, once again we will come the batch activations. Let's come the another activation simple way, and we will go for it. Both hasn't been taken the one times, but this activation now has been done. Now we will select both, and once again we will go for it. Let's batch activation. Now the skips option, we will take it, hit this one. So now it's skipping. So in the one time it's not, so now successfully it has been the skips. Now what we will do, guys, here these things, this document, of course we will go for clear billets. Now we will go for, now what we will do here, yes, we will have to come the deactivation option. So deactivate this device, it's a change to that unknown these things. We will select this one, we will go for hit this ones. Now it's waiting for 10 seconds, guys. After 10 seconds, guys, here let me yes, we will come on here. Now the activation has been highlighted. Now this one also we have done. Now here we will go for in the settings so that we can now it's a camera logo there. So just we will back, and once again we will go for it. Now that we can here this, see, we will tap on it, we will close these items. Once again we will give the good configuration by virtue of opening items. Let's see. So it has taken. Now let it access the data first, and then of course further we will go for it. Now it's accessing the data. Let's check it out. Now got everything else. So what you see here, this is all about in this video tutorials. Now see, welcome to new on the device. So this device is the final unlock. So how do you generate? Don't go for cancel option, don't go for continue. Just we will have to come to sign in. Sign in to, of course, we will come in the create new Apple ID. So now we will have an opportunity to generate a new Apple ID password. Right here, email, confirms password, verify password, select the country and the region, and then go for this setting the term the condition to execute further, and this ID will be transferred directly in the setting. Yes, by virtue of option, there is no any internet connection. You can check it out here. There is things that connect to the internet to your shine into the device. So no SIM card, nothing is inside of that, and it's asking no password. Everything has been the totally clean ups, because if you go in a faceless screen, passcode, face ID, everything is disabled. So now what do you say here? How easily you can lock? You can especially when the locks removes the wipe out the terminate, erase the permanently any kind of the security, either it is a screen lock, lock to owner, time screen passcode, blacklist all in lost mode. It's solutions about that. No need to write here, also the create a new Apple ID. By iTunes you cannot transfer. One more extra space lines in the information and the television. In case after inserting the SIM card, if the SIM card is not going to the functional, in that condition, once again we will come to 3U tool. Then what we will do here, Here we have the option, one is a virtual location. In the virtual location there is options true location. Here this one, so this device will be rebooted and it will come on a general location of this device. So network area and the SIM card would be a fully functional now. So this is all about. Furthermore, any inquiry, of course, the header will come towards a pleasure minus to the reply or the query. And if you likes it has the benefit to you in any way, then don't forget like, subscribe and share of these concerns. Without doing a jailbreak, this method, so it's a permanent method. Directly they come on a home screen after restarting. So after restarting also, it's not trap once again on iCloud activation, but with the help of jailbreaks, when the jailbreaks shut down, wipe out or terminated or removed, then once again it will trap on a iCloud activation. But here, without doing a jailbreak, so we have done so the completely it is a permanently unlocked. So guys, this is all about. Thank you for watching Technology Welfare and have a great time. Thank you very much indeed for your giving valuable time. Thank you.